Friends, do you want to apply passport without any mistakes? If you don't know answer to ECR question, friends, this video is for you. Welcome to our channel Lens 9. Okay, go to the browser and type Passport Seva to apply the passport. Friends, be careful while selecting the website. There are many fake websites are available in the internet. Select passportindia.gov.in website listed here. As you are a new applicant, you need to go home and select the new user registration. Friends, you can see here alert on fake website also. Please close this and register yourself to start the process. As you are a new user, click the new user registration button. And please select the passport office which is nearest to you. Provide your name and then enter your surname. And select your date of birth. And mention your email ID. You can see here star marks are there. These fields are mandatory. After that, you can see here, do you want to user login ID to be same as email ID? Yes, select yes. Select the password as your choice. Confirm the same password. Repeat the same password here. Select the hint question if you forget the password. And give the answer in this column. And mention this captcha displayed here. After that, click the registration button. After that, a confirmation mail will come to your Gmail ID. So open that and click this link. So it will ask your email ID. Mention the same email ID to register. So it is showing your account is activated. Now log into your account by click here button. So mention your mail ID. And select continue. And enter your password. And this numbers mentioned here. And select login. Now you are ready to apply. Now if you are applying for fresh passport or reissue, select this button. And you can see here to apply online, click this link. And alternatively, if you want to apply offline, you can download the form and then fill it and re-upload it, but we are doing online, so select this link. So select passport type, fresh passport or reissue of passport. For the first time, if you are applying for the passport, select fresh passport. Otherwise, if you want to change the name or father's name or some details, you can select the reissue. Or in case suppose if your passport is expired, if you want to renewal it, then you can select the reissue of passport. So I am applying for fresh passport. I selected the fresh passport button. And type of applications, we have two type of application, one normal application process and Tatkal application process, and I am going to select normal application process. Normal passport with 36 pages, you need to pay 1500 rupees. If it is normal passport and 60 pages, you need to pay 2000 rupees. Now click next and give your name and surname very carefully and select gender and answer these questions. Date of birth and is your place of birth out of India? Select accordingly and mention the your village, state, district and your marital status, if you are single, married or separated, and citizenship of India by birth, mention these details and mention the PAN card and voter ID card number and select the employment type. If you are government employee, select government employee. If you are a student, select student. After that, select your education qualification and then here is the important question. Now is applicant eligible for non-ECR category? Suppose if you pass the 10th class, then you need to select S. There are two types of passports. One is ECR passport and second one is non-ECR passport. So all educated person defaultly who passes 10th class, they comes under non-ECR category. So they need to select yes. For more details, click here. So if you are falling under any of these categories, suppose if you are graduate, then you need to select yes. And if you are a government employee, you need to select yes. If you are falling under any of these categories, you need to select yes for this question. After that, please fill Aadhaar card number here and then click yes here and then go click next here. So it is asking Aadhaar card number. In the next place, please fill your father name, surname, mother name and mother surname and legal guardian if applicable only, and his surname also you need to fill, and after that click next. In the next page, you need to give the present residential address details, house number, village, district, state, police station, pin code, mobile number and then email address you need to provide. After that, you need to answer this question: is permanent address available? If you have permanent address, click yes and answer the second question: is your permanent address same as present address? Suppose if the permanent address and present address is same, then click yes, else click no. After that, you need to click next. You need to give emergency contact details. In the emergency, who will be the contact person for you? You can enter your father name and father mobile number. If you have your father email ID, mention this here. After that, click next. In this page, we need to answer the following questions. As we are Indians, so you need to select no for the first question. And if you are applying the passport for the first time, then select details not available for the second question and also the no for the third question if you are applying for the first time, and then click next. In this page, you need to answer the following questions. If you don't have any criminal background, please select no, otherwise click yes, and please select the answers applicable to you and then click next. This is the passport preview page. Here please check your details whether they are correct or not, if there is any spelling mistakes are there or not in the address, name and father name, mother name. Check all the details and then if there is no mistakes, then click next. In this page, you need to select which document you are going to submit as a proof of birth and as a proof of residential address, and here there are multiple options and Aadhaar card is there, birth certificate is there, many options are there. Please select whichever is available with you and then if you want SMS alert, please click yes, and then mention the place where you are applying, and then click agree and submit form. After that, in this page you can print the application, or you can pay and schedule the appointment by clicking this button. So you can do the online payment also by selecting this option and then click next. So click next, and you need to select the nearest PSK, Passport Seva Kendra, to you, and then enter the captcha. And click next. Once you click the payment option, it will take you to payment gateway. There you need to make the transaction, 1500 rupees you need to pay there. Once it is done, your appointment is booked. This is the end of the online passport application process. Thank you for watching our video, and please let me know if you have any queries in the comment section so that I can answer you. Thank you.